In the often limited space of industrial process plants, recommended straight run requirements can be difficult to find. Due to restricted pipework, it's not always possible to carry out optimum installation as advised, away from valves, bends, and other inline components that could cause excessive and problematic turbulence. For accurate measurement to be achieved, clamp-on flow meters normally require an inlet length of at least 10 diameters. Thanks to Flexim's disturbance correction, good accuracy is achieved even at non-ideal inflow conditions, reducing the required inlet length from 10 diameters to just 2 diameters. This innovation means that installation is achieved in even the tightest of spaces without process interruption. The disturbance correction is applicable for all path configurations that compensate cross-flow. These are reflect path configurations and cross-path configurations. As part of the development, Flexim collaborated with the highly respected PTB on a research project focusing on the exact determination of flow profiles and how they influence the measuring accuracy of clamp-on ultrasonic flow meters. Calibration was used to determine the disturbance corrections implemented in the meter, firstly under undisturbed conditions, and then under disturbed conditions. This allowed the disturbance correction to be obtained from the ratio of the two results, and the procedure was repeated for all types of disturbance that require a correction function to be put in place. Following correction, the uncertainty is dependent on the number of measurement planes that are installed, as well as the distance to the disturbance and its character. Analyzed by CFD, the effect of different bend radiuses found in industrial piping is included in the uncertainty. The disturbance correction is applicable for all fluids, no matter what their state of aggregation or the diameter of the pipe. And although the disturbance correction is optimized for 90-degree bends and double bends, it improves the accuracy of other types of disturbances as well. Because Flexim's flow disturbance correction reduces the required inlet length from 10 diameters to just 2 diameters, accurate measurements are guaranteed, even with non-ideal installation conditions. Maximum flexibility and cost savings are delivered for both planners and users alike.